Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a really short snippet of how I make my coleslaw salad using homemade mayonnaise. Now, if you haven't seen the video on how I make my mayonnaise before, I'm going to link that video down in the description box below. This coleslaw salad is really simple and you can customize it to suit your tastes. So let's get started. In a large bowl, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of homemade mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of horseradish, grated horseradish, half a teaspoon of mustard. You can either use Dijon mustard. I had some whole grain mustard which I've used. And now you're simply going to stir that thoroughly to mix it all together. Add a little freshly grated black pepper. This of course is to taste. And stir everything really well to mix it all up. Taste your salad or your coleslaw dressing to make sure that it is to your liking. If not, at this stage you can adjust the flavors. I decided that my dressing needed a little more tang, so I've added some fresh lime juice and a little more horseradish. Now, if you don't have access to horseradish, you can also use wasabi paste if you've got some of that at hand, but be extremely cautious. Wasabi can pack quite a kick. If you don't have either, just stick with the mayo and mustard and you'll still have a really good coleslaw dressing. Now, into the bowl and the dressing goes a little grated carrot, finely sliced cabbage, and a little bit of finely sliced onion. Now, if you're not a fan of onion, you can leave that out or substitute that with some finely sliced spring onion as well. Stir the veggies and your dressing together to make sure everything is coated in the dressing. One last taste now, just to make sure everything is in place. And there you have it, guys. Quick and easy coleslaw salad is ready to be served. I've served this up with some of my homemade Goan beef cutlets. I've shared the video to that recipe before and I'll add the link to that one too in the description box below. But this salad goes really well with any sort of grilled meats. So if you're having a barbecue, whip up a batch of this salad on the side. You could also serve it alongside some batter fried fish or chicken schnitzel. Pretty much feel free to use it with any of your favorite mains. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button below and share this recipe with your family and friends who might like this recipe. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button below for future recipe videos. So I'll see you really soon, guys, with another delicious recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.